This is a tutorial on how I do my Mohawk in 5 minutes. You need got to be glued paste. You need got to be glued hairspray. You need a blow dryer, and you need clean hair that is completely dry. So first, brush it out. I got this time right here. So let's see if I can do it in 5 minutes. Alright, here we go. First, do a layer paste. Kinda just gets it up. And then I'll brush it out a little bit so it looks a little neater. Little layers of hairspray. Left, touch, that's time. That's it, we're done.